To create really engaging content, you can apply some of the literary and rhetorical devices. As majority of the time, this would appear in the headline because that's something that captures people's attention first. And if people are hooked, they're gonna read the description. So Apple is a brand that is a genius and a master in copywriting. If you take a look at their website, every time when they release a new product, their way of writing the copy is like poetry. I'm going to show you a couple of devices that you can also use with them as case study. So the very first one is antithesis. It basically puts two opposite ideas together in order to achieve a contrasting effect. This is an example. More attractions, less distraction. So we have more of something and less of something. And you also notice it ends off with shins, IONS, which makes it rhyme. This is another example of the antithesis. Small chip, giant lid. So there's a juxtaposition right here. The other device you can consider using is parallelism. It uses words or phrases with a very similar structure. This is an example. A reading experience can be a listening experience. So we have the structure of reading ends with an ing, experience, and listening also ends with an ing and experience. So it almost mirror each other in terms of the style. This is another device, pun, probably one of our favorites in memes and jokes. Sometimes it can be annoying, but when it's well deployed, it can make a very, very massive impact. So basically, pun exploits different possible meanings of a same word, right? And this I found extremely clever. Talking about headphones or earphones, basically here, there, everywhere. So there's a play on word here, H-E-R-E and H-E-A-R. And also, if you can see here, make a sound decision. Again, it's a play on words. Very clever. This is the next device that you can use, alliteration. It's the repetition of usually initial consonant sounds in two or more neighboring words or syllables. What do I mean by that? So here we have power to the pro. Power starts with P, pro also starts with P. And then we have repetition. This is also one of my personal favorite because it's easy to use and apply. This is an example. We have pro cameras, pro display, and pro performance. So pro is repeated 3 times. And these are other examples. Your voice is your command. You know, it kind of mimics the phrase, your wish is my command. And this as well, screens that speak volumes. So technically, screens do not speak. But in this case, again, it's a play of words. And then we have power, full stop, it's in the air. Again, very good use of very clever play of words. And then finally, things that rhyme, blast, past, fast. If you're interested to learn how to write enticing and tantalizing copy, just take a look at the Apple website, go to different tabs, not just the consumer ones, but even the enterprises solution, and you'll find very, very amazing copy right there that can inspire you and get your creative juice running.